The Traditional Music and Song Association of Scotland is celebrating its 60th anniversary. And as part of the celebration, the TMSA is hosting a very special Patrons concert, curated and hosted by long-time TMSA supporters and patrons Sheena Wellington and Margaret Bennett. The concert's on Saturday 22nd of August at Perth Concert Hall. And the special anniversary concert will present a multi-generational array of singers and instrumentalists celebrating the very best of traditional Scots and Gaelic song and music. The evening will feature award-winning musical guest and patron Barbara Dickson. Tickets, including concessions and family options, are on sale now from Perth Theatre and Concert Hall website and box office. We hope to see you there.